Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and add alerts for subscribers on Streamlabs. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Streamlabs on any browser that you want to, and simply go ahead and log in into your account and open your dashboard. So this is the dashboard where you can go ahead and set up any alerts for anything regarding it, be for subscribers, followers, donation, bits, and many more. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on alert box right over here. For me, I have connected for my YouTube, so it's going to go ahead and show me, for example, members, super chats, subscribers, and stuff like that, right? However, for you, it's going to go ahead and show you basically followers, subscribers, donations, bits, whether you're connected with Twitch or YouTube. So that's the only thing that's going to vary. All you need to do is simply go ahead into your subscribers tab right over here. As you can see on YouTube, there's subscribers, and over here you can either enable it or disable it. And there's going to be layouts, so image above text, or text over image, or image to the left, so stuff like that. On image, you can simply go ahead and upload any image that you would like to go ahead and have. So you could also just have that, or there are also stock. So as you can see, you can just go ahead and select any badges from here if you want to. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and select alert duration. I've set for 5 seconds because that is more than enough to read. And you can go ahead and have a custom message template. So name just subscribed, or name just joined this your community, or anything that you want to, right? On sound, you can go ahead and add anything down here. You can just simply go ahead and upload any sound that you want, or you can also go ahead with some stock sounds right over there. On font settings, you can simply go ahead and select font. You can select font sizes, text colors, text highlights, simple as that. And in order for you to go ahead and test it, just click on test subscribers. And so that is how I've set it up. Now, in order for me to go ahead and have it into my Streamlabs OBS, all I'm going to do is just copy this widget URL or the alert box. And all I need to do is open my Streamlabs, go ahead and click on plus on sources, and either I can go ahead and add alert box by just clicking add alert box just like that, or I could go ahead and manually add it by adding a browser source. Click on browser source and simply go ahead and add source and copy the URL which you just copied, just paste it right over here and click on close. And when you go ahead and test it, so for example, there you go, let me just test it right here. There we go. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. I have so many of them here. Well, that is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.